Hello data family, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to practice lookup function in Excel. So as you can see here, we have two tables, table 1 and table 2. In table 1 we have the agent name column, age column and age range column, and in table 2 we have age cutoff and age range. So as you can see, with reference to table 2, we can write here the age range of our agent's name. Like the first age is 31, and here in table 2 for 31 the age range is 31 to 35 years. So here we can write 31 to 35 years, and again for 31 the same, it is 31 to 35 years. Then for 23 it will be 21 to 25 years. Then for 26 it will be 26 to 30 years, and for 30 it will be again 26 to 30 years, and so on. So instead of manually typing all this age range, we can use here lookup formula. So the lookup formula will be equals to lookup bracket open, then we want the lookup value here. So this is our lookup value, then commas, then our lookup vector is table 2, table 2, and the resultant vector is, first we will compare age cutoff, age cutoff, then again table 2 bracket age range, then whole bracket close and enter. So yeah, as you can see, here we have the age range 31 to 35 years. So this was our formula. This is our formula. Now we can drag this till the end. Yeah. So we have got the age range for all the ages. So like this you can use the lookup formula, and that's all for today. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye bye.